Assalamu alaikum students and very good morning. Today we are going to discuss Prep 1's Geography, your chapter number 5, the natural vegetation from page 83 till 90. So let's begin. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the uses of natural vegetation, its causes of destruction and the results of destruction. Here we are going to discuss the three categories of vegetation: forest, desert vegetation and grasslands. Forests which have not been planted by human, such as Amazon. The desert vegetation is the natural scattered shrubs in the desert. For example, East African Maasai people. The grasslands are the naturally grown and it is spread all the way, such as tropical grassland in East Africa. Now let's talk about its uses, as we know the importance of forest in our daily life. So we get the food and other raw materials and especially the wood from the forest, and it is used to make furniture. The next thing is it is used for grazing of animals. And now most importantly, vegetation attracts tourism. Tourism is very important for every country because it shows positive sign that the country is beautiful, peaceful and safe to visit. As we discussed all the main important points in the previous slide, now we are talking about the other factors that it is used for construction, boats and many more. There are two categories of wood: hardwood and softwood. Hardwood trees in the tropical rainforest areas are the hardwood forests, such as we have discussed about the areas lie on the equator line, so like Africa, Amazon and other part of the world. When it comes to softwood, coniferous trees are softwood. It is used in construction and furniture also. And the same points we have already discussed in the previous slide. Now let's talk about its causes of destruction. As we have discussed many times that the human activities is the main cause of the causes of destruction of natural beauty. Deforestation to build houses, farming activities and other factors which influence the natural beauty of the world. Yanomamis, plantation owners and the farmers clear the forest and they build their houses and other infrastructure. Here are some few information. During 20th century, population has increased greatly, which requires more houses, buildings, roads and many more. Of course, increasing in population rate is also the main problem of its destruction. Let's talk about the last point, overgrazing. It is another factor which loses its beauty. In the end of the discussion, here I have given you some tasks which you have to do in your notebooks. The question 1, write down the uses of natural vegetation and the reasons of destruction of natural vegetation with examples. Also, you are supposed to do your skill book page 37 and 40. Till then, Allah Hafiz.